In this video, you will learn how to add friends in Monopoly Go without Facebook. In Monopoly Go, you can add friends and play with them without needing Facebook. First, sign in with Google Play or Apple ID. Next, open Monopoly Go and go to the Friends section on the Social tab of the game's menu. Then, here, you have an option to add friends. You can either add friends by their email, using their player ID, or Google Play. You can search for the specific ID or nickname to find friends already playing. In some versions of Monopoly Go, the game offers the ability to invite friends via a unique link. Look for the Invite Friends option in the game. You can send this link through email, SMS or messages. When your friend clicks the link, you can join the game and automatically play together. You will be friended. In Monopoly Go, some versions allow you to create a private room or join games with a specific friend without needing Facebook. Ask your friend for their ID or invite them to join your game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.